Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily access saved passwords in the password manager on the iPhone 17. So first we need to find the passwords app. So if you don't want to look at it here, it's probably in the utilities folder if you did not delete it. If you did, then you guys can find it in the either app library or by using the spotlight. But we're gonna stick to our folder, open it up, and as you guys can see, it requires the Face ID, but it also can be opened by the password. So now let's click on continue, click on not now, and continue. Now here we have all of our passwords, as you guys can see. So for example, for Adobe, AliExpress, even Among Us, and the Apple of course, and much more. So I have a total of 187 passwords saved. So here you guys can definitely access them, and whenever you click on one, so for example you click here, you will see the password, the website, and everything else. So after you click on the password, as you guys can see, we will have our password. So now that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.